So first we need to determine the area of this base, and the easiest way to do that is to break it down, at least for me, I like to break it down into first this square, with this is a 5 by 5 square, so 5 times 5 gives you 25. That's how many squares are there. Then we have 3, 6, 9, 12 more, so 25 plus 12 gives us 37. And then these two pieces in the corner here will go together to make 1. So we have these two right here, which is 1, 2, 3, 4. So 37 plus 4 equals 41. So the area of the base equals 41 inches squared. Now the height of this one is 7 inches. So to find the volume, you do the area of the base times the height. So that would be 41 times 7, which gives you 287 inches cubed. For assistance, just type in the 287.